Hello friends, welcome to my channel Kidiez World TV. I am sure you all are fine and we are here with another very exciting and educational beautiful episode for you. As we have today in our mud ground, the cute animals. Along with them, we have the cute birds. And birds are of course a very blessing of God and a very cutest thing. The bird whistling and their sound, it just relax your mind, your mood, and it look good when you see them and when you feel them. And the cute animal, of course, you can keep them as a pet, or if they are that much big, if you cannot keep them as a pet, so you can see them and you will feel good. So there are some relation between the animals, between the birds with the human. So based on this relationship, we making this video to tell you about these cute animals, their names, their behaviors and their sound. So you ready kids? Let's go then and let's start our video. And our first beautiful animal we have is llama. Llama is a very cute animal, and this little cute animal is a herbivore by diet. Let's make him clean. Here we go. Llama. Let's see what we have next. And the next one, we have a beautiful bird, flamingo. This pink colored bird is extraordinary bird. When the bunch of flamingo fly on the air, they make all the sky pink. So that's the power of this beautiful bird, flamingo. Let's make him clean. Here we go. Flamingo. Let's see what we have next. And the next one, let's go from here first. We have this beautiful and big funny giraffe, which is a big herbivore animal. Let's make him clean. Here we go. Giraffe. And the next one, now we will go for this pair, the beautiful duck and goose. So let's go for this duck first. And duck is no doubt a very beautiful bird. Let's make him clean. Here we go. Cute duck. Let's see what we have next. And the next one, let's go for this goose, which is another a very cute bird and available in a lots of beautiful color and shades. So that's the beauty of this cute beautiful animal. Let's make him clean. Here we go. Goose. Let's see what we have next. And the next one we have is a butterfly, which is no doubt a very colorful, beautiful insect. Let's make him clean. Here we go. Butterfly. In the next one, we have a very cute animal, which is a squirrel, which is no doubt an extraordinary, beautiful, little cute animal. Let's make him clean. Here we go. Squirrel. Let's see what we have next in the mud ground. And now we have a dog, which is a very loyal and a very friendly and cute animal. Let's make him clean. Here we go. Dog. Let's see what we have next. And the next one we have is a donkey, which is another a very cute and a farm animal. Let's make him clean. Here we go. Donkey. Let's see what we have next. And the next one, we have a toucan. A very beautiful and a big and a very, very colorful, lovely bird. Wow. Let's make him clean. Here we go. Toucan. Oh my God, he fell down. No problem. We will get him. And now we have an owl. And this owl is another very cute and a very, very interesting bird. Let's make him clean. Here we go. Owl. The next one we have is a kangaroo. Kangaroo from Australia region, and kangaroos are very cute and big and a very muscular animal. Let's make him clean. Here we go. Kangaroo. Let's see what we have next. And the next one, we have seen a seagull, which is a very, very cute bird, and you can see them on the ocean. He likes fish and he is often rounding to the sea or the ocean. Let's make him clean. Here we go. Seagull. Let's see what we have next in the mud ground, and we still have a lots of animals. So let's go and get this cute cat, which is a very, very funny, friendly, and a beautiful pet and a cute animal as well. So let's clean this beautiful cat. Here we go. Cat. Let's see what we have next in the mud ground, and we have a very lovely horse, and this horse has big legs, as we have a lots of breed of horse, and this is a very, very cute horse. Let's make him clean. Here we go. Horse. Let's see what we have next. And the next one we have is a goat, which is no doubt a very beautiful and cute farm animal. Let's make him clean. Here we go. Goat. Let's see what we have next. And the next one we have is a secretary bird, which is a very, very cute and beautiful bird. Wow. Let's make him clean. Here we go. Secretary bird. Let's see what we have next. And the next one we have is an eagle, which is a very, very beautiful and cute and a big wild bird. Eagle. Let's make him clean. Here we go. Eagle. And the next one we have is koala, which is a very cute little but a very, very lazy animal. But this animal is so adorable and cute. Let's make him clean. Here we go. Koala. And the next one we have is a panda, which is a very, very cute animal and a beautiful herbivore animal. This panda. Let's make him clean. Here we go. Panda. Let's see what we have next. And the next one we have is a sheep, which is no doubt a very beautiful farm animal. Sheep. This sheep look like the real one. Let's make him clean. Here we go. Sheep. And the next one we have is we have a very, very cute rabbit, which is also known as the Bugs Bunny. And this Bugs Bunny has a big ear. Let's make him clean. Here we go. Rabbit. Let's see what we have next now. And the next one, wow, let's go for this beautiful and big giraffe, which is no doubt a very funny and a very, very cute bird, a big animal as well. So the giraffe is a very, very cute animal. Let's make him clean. Here we go. Giraffe. Let's put him here. And this looks so good here. In the meanwhile, let's go and grab our cutest cow, which is a beautiful and a big farm animal and no doubt of its cuteness, because this cow is a cuteness overloaded animal. So this cow is very dirty. Let's make her clean. Here we go. Cow. And this cow is clean now. And our mat ground is empty. So it's time to say goodbye. Before this, like the video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell. Have a great day, friends. Take care. Bye-bye.